In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use a coupon code on Revid AI so that you can get a discount. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to go here into the website of Revid AI by using the link in the description. Once you're here, is that you just simply would want to set up your account first. So you can click here on sign in on the top right, or you click here on create videos now, depending on which one you want. And then, once you click on those buttons, you'll now be prompted in here. So now you can continue with Google or use your email, depending on how you'd want. And again, if you already have an account, click here and log in. So I'll just continue with my Google account. And now, once you're logged in, you just simply want to go here into upgrade now on your dashboard, as you can see right here on the bottom left. And in here, you should now be able to see all the plans. So you can go for monthly or annually. If you would want to save as much as possible, I suggest going for the annual plan, as you would get reduced price per month. So that would be a reduced price or a discounted price already in total for the 12 months. So as you can see right here, get 2 months free when you pay yearly. So basically getting 2 months for free in the pricing plan. So that's it. And then you can now choose the plan that you want. Let's say that you want growth. So you can click here on select plan. And then you will now be prompted in here into the checkout page where you can now use the coupon code. So in here, you just simply navigate here into the add promotion code. Click on that, and then from here, you can type in our coupon code, which is simply enjoy20. And click on apply. And then you should now be able to see that you will now get 20% off for a year. This could also work on the monthly plan. So yeah, you could also use it in a monthly plan. And then all that's left now is to put your payment information here on the right side and click on subscribe. Once the payment goes through, then it is now all good. You have now successfully purchased with a discount.